wherever you go, wherever you travel, it always leaves you with something that kind of relevant to how you work, how you live your life, how things have worked for thousands of years. This place is incredible.
It's great to have you here, man.
It's fantastic to be here.
The guys, they come with a lot of expectations and hope that we can guide them to what they expect and more, you know. For me, Peru is a blessed country, geographically, in minerals, ecosystems, in the richness of the sea with the two different currents. And then the people, you know, all the culture that's been going on in this territory for so long. The intercultural knowledge and how we put it all together, and then we just have what Peru is now. It's a mixture of great cultures with a solid background in a blessed place.
The perfect place to develop as a human being, as a chef, and as a discoverer, as a traveler. That's for me Peru, a giant treasure.
I brought you to this market because here we can see actually the culture of the city. Especially for this kind of tubers, the only place they grow is over 3,500 meters. What they do this year, this campaign, they're gonna use this land, then let that rest, and then use the other one, and then they rotate it, you know. So the more they rest, the more fertile, you know. So no chemicals or fertilizers, it's just patience and time and a lot of faith.
In an area that you think is very inhospitable, that's kind of what they use the local land for survival. It's just amazing.
So this is our first collection of Cusco foods. Welcome to me. My name is Luis. These are native potatoes. There are 4,000 varieties identified in Peru. Some ingredients we've been using for a long time with Virgilio and staff. An Andean grain called quinoa, muña, type of mint, mashua, a type of corn, 55 varieties in Peru. And this is an algae called cushuro, a colony of bacteria. They prosper in altitude lakes around the shore in the rain time. What is interesting about cushuro? Not flavor, maybe texture, but more nutrients than quinoas and some proteins from meat.
For me, to design the menu for the train was a great experience. The menu was designed between inspirations of Cusco produces, Puno as well, and Arequipa. Not only the produces, but as well the celebrations and the cultural part of them, the traditions. Little details that are around the menu that try to put you in context for what the train is. I think the view and the experience to be up there is amazing. Island and then Taquile for lunch. That's amazing. Having lunch in Taquile is great because that island is untouched pretty much. The people don't use too much of technology.
Peru is perfect for me. I love traveling, I love discovering new things, meeting people, seeing culture, traditions. Every trip I do to Peru, inside Peru, I get new feelings, new ideas, new visions. I never stop surprising about this beautiful country.
Well, I think it's been a great experience. I hope the guys enjoy it. I enjoy it a lot. Just show them a little bit of my country, my culture.
At the start of the year, you're like, well, when am I going to do that? Because you don't have the time with the restaurant, and then the opportunity to have a really dedicated, intense period to go see and experience as much as you can is an incredible opportunity.